are engineers, machine builders, system architects, efficiency finders. We search for speed, safety, performance, and reliability in the systems we create. Our focus is on making manufacturing better, more competitive, more precise. We understand what's at stake when a process breaks down or a line slows to a stop. So, we design machines that move faster, run longer, and solve problems before they happen. Every detail matters. Every decision reflects the precise standards we hold without compromise. We build what others avoid. We think in systems. We act with intent. Our teams bring logic, clarity, and discipline to the heart of production. From first concept to final installation, we plan for outcomes that deliver. What we make runs in real time, under real pressure. And when it's in motion, it creates measurable change. Fewer failures, shorter timelines, better results. That is the work. That is the impact. We thrive in making complexity organized. We work where programming meets machinery, where uptime means everything, where trust is earned by doing the job right the first time. Our machines help manufacture medicine, protect resources, and power industries that keep the world on track. We build for what matters. We deliver what lasts. We are Eclipse, where factory automation is going.